We are the Calbo brothers.
But I need an axe.
They're still collecting more firewoods.
I need the, oh wait.
Oh, you need the axe.
Yeah, yes please. Oh goodness, I haven't shot an axe in so long.
You almost hit it.
Okay. Oh.
Come on then, make it good. Yes, you did.
Oh my god.
There you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Yo, just another day in paradise, right?
Hey Rex,
Yo,
we should just use a shotgun for those things.
you mean this one?
Right there.
I don't think so. Has
No?
to be one by one.
Not a good idea?
No. Oh, that's a nice fire. Where is it?
I'm gonna light this first. So
So right now he's setting up some targets for target shooting. So right here. Please follow Calbo Brothers. Like and subscribe for more adventures to come. Thank you guys for
Hey guys.
following us.
Thank you for subscribing us. Calbo Brothers here. Don't shoot my dog, okay? Get down. Shoulder.
ready.
Make
Right
sure it's
there.
on shoulder, okay?
Down. Yeah.
So slightly lower than the top. Ready? I'm not very steady.
Yep. Don't breathe. Hold it.
I don't hear a metal sound.
Neither.
That's all right.
Okay, one more. Mm.
Good job, Tin. Good job. So now use the other one now. Few tips on how to use a gun. What kind of gun is this?
That's 17 HMR.
17 HM. Alright. So when you have a scope like this, so what do you do, Rex? How do you look in the scope?
I prefer to have my both eyes open.
But can you close one eye?
Yeah, you can, but the pressure is there's a pressure on your cheek while the other one is closed and the other one is open, right?
Does it make a difference?
Big time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so if you have your both eyes open,
So for this one, do you need to, like, can I adjust it? Can I move it?
you can, but that one is already on one of the target, the yellow plate there. Can you see it?
Yeah, but it's not.
Is it?
No.
Okay, then do your thing. It's good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, put it in your shoulder though.
Oops.
Right, yes sir.
Yun.
And then whenever you're ready, don't squeeze the trigger when you're not ready.
Yeah.
Don't put your eyes too close to the scopes
Ano ba yung...
because there's a little recoil that may poke your eyeball out.
Okay, ready?
Okay? Whenever it goes on the cross.
So this is ready to go, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, Rex. Let's see. Listen to the ping.
You hit, bro. You hit it. Reload it. Yep. Put it back. Down.
Okay, now where's my target? Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Got it. Did you see that?
Oh
Did you
man.
guys see that? First timer.
Put your shoulder. And then whenever you're ready, you put your finger on the trigger, right? This time put it over here and then find your sight.
Do I have to hold it up here?
No.
Still? No.
No, just look on this one and then find the target that you wanna take down.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Wait, I look with one eye, right?
Yeah, one eye or two eyes, it depends.
I can't see the target.
No, just find it though, like this. Move around. You're crazy. Can you see
Oh
it?
my god, this is
Can you see the target?
no.
You'll find it eventually.
For safety. Oh, I see a different yellow one now.
Okay,
That's okay.
take it.
I go? Okay.
Don't hold your breath
Don't hold my breath.
and then take it.
Oh, it fell over.
Look at that.
Nice,
You got
nice.
it? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know.
Where do I put this hand?
Oh, just put it
Just
everywhere.
anywhere.
Is it ready to go?
Not
Oh, I
yet,
see the
but
other
can
one.
you let me know if you find the other target?
Yeah, I found it.
You found it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pull back towards you and then push it back and then down. You're good to go.
Oh.
You're ready. It's in the cross now.
Yeah. Is that it?
Then, how is it?
You got it?
You got it?
Holy shit, look at that. There's another one target. See, there's three right behind it.
Oh, that was the first one I saw.
Okay, take it down. First, thanks, bro.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Good job. Good one. Tingnan mo ang ating kapaligiran. The last one.
Napakasarap na turon. So, what's turon in English? Banana Q. Banana spring roll.
Oh, that's a good term. Banana spring roll.
There you go.
That's how you call it in.
So we have a banana spring roll right here.
Video set my home now. No more.
No more.
Voila. Oh, the smoke's making it blurry. Wait,
Thanks, brother. But before we eat
Wait,
this,
again.
do a Tron cheers. Yeah, it's that good. Thanks, brother Rex, and we forgot about Maxi. Till next time, always remember that it is not in how much time you spend with your loved ones, but how much of yourself you give to be present on those moments that you spend with them that truly counts. Won't matter however short the moments are, as long as you make the feelings last. Then once again, this is Calpo Brothers signing out. But please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po.